Hey guys, I'm out at a customer's field this evening with Connor Schwartz. Connor, tell us what your business is.
Yeah, so I'm Connor Schwartz with New High Tag. So Chris Steele and I are partnered with New High Tag, and we are a custom application business, and we use drones. So we have two T40 drones. We do spraying and spreading both. Really busy with fungicide right now, and it's going really good.
Yep. So kind of new venture for them, and we've got a mutual customer here wanting to spray some fungicide on beans. I asked Connor if we could put our foliar with it. So far, so good. We got a little sugar fix along with fungicide and insecticide on this pass. All right, so I'm here with the grower now. This is Dustin Arnold. He's actually a neighbor of mine, just a few miles around the corner. But I wanted to have him say why he's doing the drone this year.
Yeah, so we've started the last couple years with some cover crop stuff. Tried planting green. These soybeans here were planted May the 23rd. Killed the standing rye basically same time as planting. It is July the 25th, and it was just about 10 days ago post-pass herbicide. These beans have stayed really clean. Wanted to bring the drone in just a little bit later. I put on, and we're putting in some foliar with that and some insecticide, and just really didn't want to make a second pass over these soybeans, running over more beans. So had the drones come in, and they're really being efficient and keeping the extra tracks out of the field. So looking forward to seeing the results at harvest time and see what we can get out of it.
Yep. Little learning curve for all of us. Drones are kind of new to our area, and been kind of fun to watch it happen.
Yeah.
The drone's really doing a great job of pushing the back. So I think we're getting really good penetration of the nutrients. Maybe a little hard to tell in the video.